Our next Distinguished Service Award is presented to Prithviraj Banerjee for contributions in parallel. The award is for contributions in parallel algorithms for VLSI CAD, that's making microchips, and for compilers for parallel heterogeneous computing, and for visionary leadership in engineering research and education. Dr. Banerjee's broad experience includes position in academia. First, here as a professor, a colleague of ours in electrical and computer engineering, then as a professor at Northwestern University, a small university up the road, and as Dean of the College of Engineering at the University of Illinois at Chicago. In addition, he founded two companies, Binachip and Asselchip. And today, he's a Senior Vice President of Research and Director of HP Labs at Hewlett-Packard. By the numbers, he supervised over 70 graduate students, published more than 330 papers, and today he leads over 500 researchers in 20 laboratories throughout the world. One of his recent accomplishments was to initiate new programs for technology transfer and open innovation with university partners, commercial partners, and funding agencies. He serves on the Computer Science Advisory Board of the National Academy of Engineering and on the advisory board of the Anita Borg Institute for Women and Technology. Please welcome and congratulate Prith, as we call him here, on this award, the Distinguished Service Award of the College of Engineering. Congrats.
Thank you, Adi, and good afternoon to all of you. It's a pleasure to be back here on campus. As Adi mentioned, I got my master's and PhD here. But since I did not get my undergraduate, I decided to contribute a few extra years to the University of Illinois campus as a professor, and I had a terrific time. But I want to recognize a few professors who have had a tremendous impact in my academic career. My advisor, Professor Jacob Abraham, who was a professor at Illinois before going over to University of Texas at Austin, and Professor Janak Patel, who is here in the audience, please stand. He was almost my second advisor. I took multiple courses from him. He was my colleague, and he has been my mentor for the last 20 years. Every career decision I have taken, I have always called up and reached out to Janak. Thank you, Janak. I have had the pleasure of working in 3 universities, all in Illinois. First at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, then at Northwestern, then the University of Illinois at Chicago. Finally, I decided there needs to be a University of Illinois at Silicon Valley, and that's where I am. In my current role as Senior Vice President of Research of Hewlett-Packard, which is one of the large IT companies in the world, I have the unique opportunity to supervise, direct the research directions of the future of IT technology in the area of commercial digital printing, information analytics, cloud computing, security, and so on. It's an amazing field out there, and to our outstanding alumni, Andrew Neighbor, who gave this future, I don't know where you're seated, Andrew. Great. Some of the things that you talked about are being dreamt, being built by the engineers at Hewlett-Packard. Hewlett-Packard employs a lot of Illinois graduates. At HP Labs, we have lots and lots of Illini. HP Labs has, in the last 4 years, has this open innovation program with universities. Each year, we fund programs at lots of universities around the world. It's very, very competitive. And each year, a couple of grants go to the University of Illinois. I'm just so proud of the Illini brand. Thank you.